Hey everyone, Ryan here with another lead gen tactic to thrive in the current market. Here's a quick pop quiz. What's something that every single person in the world with an address has? If you answered a mailbox, you are absolutely correct. Command's direct mail campaigns makes it incredibly easy for us to engage with people through one of the oldest means of communication we have, mail. So right now in Command, you can send out your Christmas cards to your database or even engage with potential future listings by using Command's direct mail geofarming tools. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that here now. I'm here within Command's Campaigns applet, and this is where all of our marketing magic happens. As you can see, there are various tabs for the different types of campaigns we're able to run. Got paid ads, you got social posts, emails for newsletters, and today's focus, direct mail. Command makes it incredibly easy for you to create and post mailers directly to people either within your database or those that you're looking to generate new leads from. And we're going to talk about the latter here now. So in order to geofarm using Command, we are going to first need to create a direct mail campaign and then tell Command where to send it. So by clicking the Create Campaign button here in the top right, I have the option to select between all of the various campaign types and pick direct mail as my type. And then I'll need to name that campaign and assign a goal. So with the campaign name, don't stress too much about it. This is your Command account, your business. Just name it something that's going to be recognizable to you. So if we call this the Hickory Street listing, we can then select a goal that is, again, for our own organization purposes. That's going to let us know what we intend with this round of direct mail. So let's say our objective here is to attract listings. Clicking Create Campaign will take us to the campaign creation space where we can create or upload content that we have created for this purpose, either in a third-party source or most likely through our designs applet previously. So under this content header, we'll have the ability to either utilize default templates provided right here in the campaign creation process or upload those from that other source. So if I am uploading here, I'll just need to select a design for the front and back of my postcard. So I'm going to go ahead and do that here now. And click the Save button to proceed. The Market Center space is just going to be verifying the information you should already have for your brokerage in your Market Center profile. So just click Verify Address. You'll be asked to re-enter the zip code perhaps, and then confirm that with the cross-reference to the Postal Service. So looks good with our Market Center info. And now the fun part, targeting. So right now within your Command account, you have the option to either select local targeting, which is going to farm a specific area of your community, or target those directly within your database. So if you want to use this for the purpose of geofarming, generating new leads within a geographic area, you're going to want to set a specific address for your campaign to center on and click Save to proceed. And that proceeding button will tell us to configure targeting. So this is the fun part, because once we say yes to creating this campaign and see the configuration screen here, we'll be able to designate a geographic range and area that we want to send this mailer to, specifically every home of a certain type or just every home generally in that area that we designate. So as you can see here on my map, I've got little blue dots which represent the homes in this community that I can potentially send my mailer out to. Some of these could be multifamily homes. They could also be single family homes. And on the left, we have the ability to narrow down who we want this to go out to using the sliders here. So perhaps I just want to send this mailer out to any home with less than 4 bedrooms, single family, and last sold before 2012. I can designate those from the settings on the left side of my screen and watch as my map dynamically updates to find those specific homes that match the parameters I set. This is going to allow you to lead generate more intentionally and more purposefully with your marketing dollars so that you can ensure that your message is being seen by exactly those individuals who would most benefit from it. And that is how you take your lead generation to the next level. Once you've designated all of those parameters you'd like to set for your mailers, you can specify a number of homes that fit those criteria within the area you've selected based on how much you've got in your marketing budget. And watch as Command selects those homes that are going to be ideal based on what you input. Your very last step then in geofarming using this functionality is going to be to proceed with previewing your postcard that you've created, verifying the amount that you'll be billed for this. And by the way, the price you see here includes both the postage and the printing of your postcards that you've created here in Command. And then confirming those final payment details before your mailer is out there in the world. That took us a few minutes of walking through it, but now that you've got that as a tool in your tool belt, you'll be able to geofarm and take your lead generation program to the next level. We'll also talk about how you can target your database using Command to send those Christmas cards or any other special occasion that you would like to celebrate and make your sphere aware of. And you don't want to miss that video, so check that out next. Until next time, my name is Ryan with the KWU Tech Training Team. Take care.